like, comment, or subscribe. Thank you very much.
Okay, so today, on my way to South 3rd Street in Brooklyn, customer received a 10-day notice from DEP. So last week, DEP came to this home. The roadway was sinking. They excavated. Upon excavation, they found that the tap itself was actually leaking. So the customer has to replace their tap and put a new tap in. Fortunately for them, they had a copper water main, so they don't need to replace their entire water service. They just have to get a new tap and get inspection on the connection back to their existing piping. The challenge here is that DEP, even though they gave them a 10-day notice, they left the water on. There's a tremendous amount of water in this hole and mud. The report I just got is that it's really hard to dig this up today. So we're gonna go see what's going on. Hey, what's going on?
Not much.
How we doing?
Not good.
Not good? Look at all
Not
this
good.
mud, man.
We had to take this out because it was messed up here.
Oh, so this was probably leaking for a while, huh?
Yeah. But you see, everything just collapsed back again, so. Well, I love working with this guy because he's a very hard worker. And he just go down and he just do the job without complaining. And I know him for like 9 years. And it's the same. He worked very hard all the time.
He been my boss and my foreman for 9 years. I know him. He's basically my brother. I see him more than my family, basically. We drink on the same bottle, eat on the same spoon. That's how close we are.
You have Instagram? He doesn't. Ben doesn't. You do? What's your Instagram hand? Is it called a handle?
I follow Harry.
Is it called a handle? I'm so old.
Yes, it's called a handle.
Is it?
Michael.
Is it really?
Yes.
So we got the new tap in and we're connected.
Yeah, everything
Water's
is good.
on?
Water is on.
Okay, and then what do we, just waiting for inspection, right?
And on door.
Thank you for watching our video. If you could please like, comment, and subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated. Ben, Intica, as always, appreciate you. Thanks for watching.